Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It is Saturday, and yesterday was a rest day for me. I did some errands and I came home and I completely vegged out. Last weekends, I had one full day of lots of video stuff. You saw that in my vlog. And then I've been working on this interview series, which has been taking a lot of time. And the weather crashed in yesterday, and I did end up with a migraine. So I was really unable to do much of anything. So today is Saturday, and I thought I would bring you some really cool things. I found these at a local, I'll take some better pictures of them, but I found some pictures of some historical garments. And then the reason I got this one was her hair. She's got it pulled back and then braided and pinned up, and I would love to get my hair to do that, so I'm gonna try it. And then this is a lady with bangs. And since I wear fringe, I'm always interested in that. I also love the collar of her dress. I'll show you a picture of it. I also got this beautiful bonnet. It's a child's bonnet, and it is made of a cotton fabric. The lace on this is absolutely exquisite. And it is clearly handmade lace. It's not tatted, it is clearly needle lace. So I want to make sure that I show you a close-up of that. The entire bonnet is hand stitched. It looks like the main seam that goes along here and here is machine sewn, and it does look like the initial attachment of this bottom piece is machine, but everything else has tiny little catch stitches, whip stitches, and it is handmade. It's clearly been loved and treasured. Even down the sides, it's all hand done. It's hard to tell from here. I'll show close-up pictures. The other thing I got was gloves. I just love cotton gloves when I find them. Sometimes they're a little bit of a felt type texture of glove. Sometimes they're a little big on me, but occasionally I find them where they fit just right. I have tiny hands, so. I have figured out, I think I wear a size between a 5, 6, or 7. I also got these beautiful spats, and I'm going to try them on, see if they fit. I think they're gonna be a little small, and I'm going to make some new ones, but I haven't had any luck with the patterns that I get. I have 2 patterns for spats, and neither one of them have worked very well. So when I saw these at the secondhand store, I was really intrigued to go ahead and buy them. They were $10. They actually had several pair, but these were the ones that I could see the insides the most clearly, and I thought they would be closer to my size. The others were obviously way too big. The other thing that I wanted to ask you, those of you that watch, I have this beautiful piece of yellow. It's actually yellow, blue, and red. And I bought it because, I bought this several years ago. I bought this because I wanted to make a wrap of some kind that has my SCA colors. But my SCA colors are gold, black, and green. I really don't know what to make with this thing. The measurements are 40 inches long and 32 inches wide. So I don't have very much of it. I have a very limited amount. I contemplated just hanging it up behind me, but I don't know. I just don't know. I love green so much. I don't really want to put this up behind me. But I am intrigued as to what you think I should make with it. So if you like it, if you have some ideas, definitely comment below. I would be intrigued to hear what you have to say. The other thing that I've been working on, I did do a little bit yesterday, more today. I've been working on my little lace, and so far I have this little corner done. It's not gonna focus, sorry. I'll try to show you close-up pictures. And I have no idea what I'm gonna work on next. So I'll keep in touch. Monday the 25th, Memorial Day. So I have 3 interviews today for my channel, and I just got done with a cami, and I'm going to do a mock-up for the Polonaise before my first interview this afternoon. And reminder, if anybody knows what you think I should make this out of, please let me know, because I have no idea what I need to make this out of, and I keep petting it fondly. I have no idea what I want to do with it. So it's the tail end of Monday, Memorial Day, and I wanted to show you that I have now my pattern for my Polonaise. Now, what I'm going to say with that is I'm actually not really gonna do a Polonaise. Again, I do a lot of historical sewing based stuff. The Polonaise that I'm looking at copying kind of this sort of pattern. So this is the historical garment, and this has a petticoat underneath, and then this long gown top that goes over it. I don't know if you can see that. So what I'm actually looking to do, if this makes any sense, is, I know it makes sense to me, this also has the pieces of the Polonaise, but it's got a gathered front, and this is a tea gown. And my goal is to make a gown for housewear that's based on the Polonaise, but I don't want these sleeves. The house wrap that I have now I love, but I want to have something else. So that's what this project is it's really kind of a house dress for me, but it also gets me kind of in that mindset of starting to look at her patterns and how she makes them. And I have another project further down the line that I'm going to be I want to become more comfortable with her patterns, and that's what this is. This is taking her pattern, blowing it up onto the grid paper and making a mock-up. And I made the mock-up earlier, and now I have the pattern, and now I'm going to make the dress.